Hey folks, I'm going to make something that I make a lot of. I love red beans and rice, but I'm going to use two new products today that I found in the stores. And one of them is the Creole Red Bean Seasoning from Camellia. Now, I always use Camellia dried red beans or kidney beans when I make red beans and rice because they are the best. And when I saw this, I'm like, okay, this has got to be pretty good too. So I'm going to try it. So I'm going to be using a new Cajun smoked sausage from Kingsford that I've never seen before, never heard of, never tried. I found that at Walmart. So this is what I'm going to be making. I'm going to show you how I'm making it in the Instant Pot and give it a taste at the end and see what I think. So here's how I'm going to make it. Okay, this is one of the things I love about the Instant Pot. Using the saute feature, I'm going to saute these this Kingsford Cajun smoked sausage. Get it nice and browned. And that looks great. I'm not even going to drain that grease. It's not a lot of grease, and that will add a lot of flavor. So I'm just going to keep that like that. And I tasted a piece. It's really good. I like this sausage. So here I'm adding the dried camellia beans. These have not been soaked overnight or anything. They've just been picked through and washed, rinsed. That's what I love about camellia beans. You don't have to soak them. So just give that a good mix. Then I'm going to add the Creole Red Bean Seasoning from Camellia. And this is all it is. It's this one pack. It's got dried red pepper, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, onion, and spices and everything. And now I'm just going to add enough water to cover it all. And that's going to be pretty much it for this. As far as preparation, give this a good stir. And now I'm going to pressure cook this. That's the other good thing. You can go right from the saute to pressure cook in the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna pressure cook this for probably let's see. I usually use that setting, the meat setting. So I'm gonna go for 30 minutes. Pressure cook that for 30 minutes. Okay, that's been 30 minutes. It's not quite done, but it's pretty well done. The beans are not quite there, but they're getting tender. And everything is cooked and combined. So I just want to mash up some of the beans because that'll make the broth thicker. So just want to mash some beans up. Now I'm going to set it up for slow cooking. Yep, slow cook on normal for about 4 hours. Probably won't let it go. I'll probably let it go for 2 hours. Well, that's been a little over 2 hours, probably 3, and it's looking really good. Time to eat. Okay, got me some boiled rice here, and let's give this a taste. It looks good and it smells great, I gotta admit. And it tastes perfect. I'm gonna stock up on this. Let's get some of that Kingsford sausage. Good old bite of everything, and that is just fantastic. It's definitely good. If you find this, buy it. Thanks for watching.